Good morning, children. Let's start UKG class. Subject Kannada, oral plus writing. Okay, children. I think you was already learned that in previous class oral. Atu, A. A arasatu, A. Eni. Okay, children. You was already learned. Now today we will continue in next letter. A after what, children? A after I and O. These two letter also today we learn. Okay, children. Now we remember that in previous class what we learned. Okay, children. Once again we remember that. Now let's start Varnamala A. The first letter is A. We learn with English words also, children. Now start A Alilu. Squirrel. You also say along with me, children. You listen. A Alilu. Squirrel. A Agasa. Washerman. A Aramane. Palace. You also say along with me, children. You listen carefully. A Alilu. Squirrel. A Agasa. Washerman. A Aramane. Palace. Next. Atike. Toys. Ane. Elephant. Ame. Tortoise. You listen, children. You also say along with me. Atike. Toys. Ane. Elephant. Ame. Tortoise. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Alilu. Squirrel. Agasa. Washerman. Aramane. Palace. Atike. Toys. Ane. Elephant. Ame. Tortoise. Okay, children. Next. After what, children? E. Ili. Rat. Iruve. Ant. Isavi. Ear. Okay, children. You also say along with me once again. I repeat. Ili. Rat. Iruve. Ant. Isavi. Ear. Next. E after what, children? E after letter E. Irulli. Onion. Iju. Swimming. Next. Isha. Lord Shiva. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Irulli. Onion. Iju. Swimming. Isha. Lord Shiva. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Ili. Rat. Iruve. Ant. Isavi. Ear. Irulli. Onion. Next. Iju. Swimming. Isha. Lord Shiva. Okay, children. Next. E after what, children? Oo. E after what, children? Oo. You also say along with me. Ungura. Ring. Uguru. Nail. Udugore. Gift. Next. After? Uta. Meal. Uru. Town. Udu. Blow. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Uguru. The first one. Ungura. Ring. Next. Uguru. Nail. Next. Udugore. Gift. Next. After what, children? Uta. Meal. Uru. Town. Udu. Blow. Next. After what, children? After Ru. You also say along with me. Rushi. Sage. Rutu. Season. Rigveda. Next. After Ele. Leaf. Elaniru. Tender coconut. Emme. Buffalo. Once again I repeat, children. You also say along with me. Rushi. sage. Ru, rutu, season. Ru, rigveda. Next row after what children? Row after letter a, ele, leaf. A, ಎಳನೀರು, tender coconut. Next, a, ಎಮ್ಮೆ, buffalo. Okay children, you also learn like that. Next, a after what children? ಏಡಿ, crab. ಏಣಿ, ladder. ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, cardamom. Okay children, next we will stop last class in this letter. Now we will continue with the next letter. Okay children, a after I. Today we learn that word. Next, ಐದು, 5. ಐನೂರು, 500. ice cream. Okay children, once again I repeat for you. You also say along with me. ಏಡಿ, crab. ಏಣಿ, ladder. ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, cardamom. Next, a after what children? A after I. ಐದು, 5. ಐನೂರು, 500. Next, ice cream. Okay children. Next, I after what? I after O. ಒಂಟೆ, camel. ಒನಕೆ, pestle. ಒಲೆ, firewood oven. Once again I repeat children, you also say along with me. ಒಂಟೆ, camel. ಒನಕೆ, pestle. ಒಲೆ, firewood oven. Okay children. Next, you also write like that and learn oral also children. See in your PDF page, you also should learn with English words also you learn children. Now we will stop in this word O. We will continue in next Kannada class. O after O. We will continue in next class children. Now today we will stop here. Next, I'll show your children how to write I and O in your 2 lines book. Okay children. Okay. Now I'll show and you take one your Kannada 2 lines book. Okay children. I think you take your Kannada classwork or homework. You open this book. Next, you take one fresh page children. You take one fresh page. Okay. You put first date. Okay children. First you put the date. 2/7/27. You write like that. 2/7/27. You write one slanting line. 1/1/11. Again you write one slanting line. 2020. Okay children. You should write 27/11/2020. Date, month and year. Okay children. First you put like that. Next, you come to the first line. Write I. How to write in 2 lines? Okay children, don't worry about that. I'll send PDF page for you and you just see and write children. Ice cream or ಐದು, ಐನೂರು. Okay children, you write like that 4 letters in that page. First you write I, that full of line you complete. Next, again you write I. Next again you write I. That full of page you complete that page. That full write I. 4 lines you should write. Next, I after what children? O. You take one fresh again beside page or next page. Okay children, you take write O also. You take one fresh page. You should write like that what I am writing here and you also see and write O. ಒಂಟೆ or ಒನಕೆ, ಒಲೆ. You should say and write children. You should say and write and learn oral also. You write like that that full line and again you write O. 4 lines you should write in that page. That full complete that page. O. You should write 2 pages also children, I and O. Today only you write 2 page also in this Kannada classwork or homework. Okay children, you should write I and O 2 pages also. Today only you complete children. Just you see and write your PDF page. I will send PDF page also. And learn oral also children. You should say and write. Okay children. Okay, we will continue in next Kannada class in next letter or next words. Okay children, any doubts children? You understood? Okay, I think you understood. Okay children, thank you.